Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to Basement Fire Alarm Test 39. It's been a bit since I've filmed one of these videos, so we'll go ahead and take a look at all the devices I have installed for today. Starting off at the pull station spot, I have my Pyrotronics MS-157 under the stopper, which I have the horn disabled because I kind of hate that horn, but it's a bit of an unusual pull station just because usually these only have one set of contacts, but this one actually has two, so it's a bit more unique than these pull stations usually are. And another interesting thing about this one is it's actually not spring-loaded for whatever reason, but yep, there it is. I have the hex key all ready for it up here as well, so let's go and take a look at our horn strobe for today. For the horn strobe today, you can see that I have this Pyrotronics HSD-24F, if I'm not mistaken on that model number. It's basically a Wheelock 7002T, but it's rebranded by Pyrotronics. So, what's interesting about this is that it actually looks like orange on the camera for some reason, but it's really just a nice shade of red. So, yeah, I just thought that was kind of interesting. Must be the light. I am very close to the light bulb in here, so yeah, there it is. Same smoke detector, we're not messing with that today because I never really do that. Just because that smoke detector is right there, and if that gets set off, the entire house system goes off. So yeah, maybe in the next one I'll magnet test it or something, but I'm getting sidetracked. This horn is on continuous, and we'll be hearing that all-famous strobe skip, so let's get started. Alright, let's pull the fire alarm. Here we go. Alright, so me mentioning that smoke detector made me realize I don't even remember the last time I tested this in a video, so you're in luck today. I put a dust cover on this detector just so it won't go off, and we'll take some canned smoke, spray it. That should be enough. Alright. Alright, so now while we wait for that smoke to clear out, we'll go ahead and reset this pull station. Get my handy dandy hex key. Okay, turn that to the left, and that just pushes back up. And there it is. Had to mess with that a little bit, but now it's reset. So we'll put that cover back on, and we are good to reset the system. Alright, so I gave it a minute to clear out, and actually this kind of scared me. I was waiting for the smoke to clear out, and it actually went off again. I think that smoke detector re-alarmed, but not sure. Let's reset. There we go. So that is going to be the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both those links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.